and no others. Everybody else dodges.
Three wide didn't work too good.
No, it never does at Martinsville. So what happens here with Rusty? Rusty kind of slides up, and then they just tried making it 3 wide.
You can't fault anybody there.
No.
Here's what put us onto the 14th caution of the race.
Car trying to take off is a 97 of Kurt Busch, right along with Kevin Harvick as he dives down, goes to the inside.
See Schrader there on the inside. He got away with it.
Race car weighs what, 3,400 pounds? It's not easy to pop a wheelie.
No.
Yikes. And ouch. Kurt Busch, kind of the meat in the race car sandwich.
Takeoff.
Getting style points for taking air, too.
Here he comes down pit road, and around he goes. And
see all the fluid on the rear tire?
Well, the official got that guy out of the way. Attaboy. Look at all that fluid he's putting down.
Boy, that's scary.
Good thing that was then and not when everybody was pitting race cars.